Hi, I am Meenakshi from Section 1 in Wireless Information Networking course. Today I am going to create public key and private key by using Cleopatra. For that I am already downloaded Cleopatra in my laptop. Now I am going to create a new pair by using my name and the college email address. While clicking on the creating a new key pair, they will ask name and the email address. I'm just typing my name and the college email ID. After typing that, we need to click on the protect generated key with passphrase. Then click OK. They will ask a passphrase. We need to create a strong passphrase by using digits and the caps lock or some things. After typing my passphrase, we can see that my certification is created. My certification is created. Now I am going to share my backup my secret keys by right click on the certificate and backup secret key. Now I am going to save it on a new folder. My folder name is cryptography. So saved it. They will ask a passphrase. We need to retype the passphrase. Now I am going to export my public key in the same folder, like same step. I just saved that in the cryptography folder, my public key and secret key. Okay, now we can see the public key and secret key by using Notepad. This is my public key, begin PGP public key block. This is